bustling weekly tamu in Dongangan amidst its vibrant energy. There is an unfortunate sight where these chickens awaiting their fate but are cruelly left under the scorching sun waiting for buyers. It is important to acknowledge that commercial activities are important in any community. However, the plight of these innocent creatures must also be addressed. By raising awareness about this issue, we can work towards creating a more compassionate society where animals are treated with respect and dignity. Together, we can ensure that even as we embrace our freedom to earn a living, we extend it to all living beings who share this world with us.